Hey, turn this down.
Oh, May. Do you think it's normal to have feelings for your foster brother or sister? Or brothers?
No. I think it's wrong.
You what? The connection's there?
Like, it depends. Like, how long have I known them for?
Okay, that's what we said.
Yeah.
If it's like they just came into your life, then it happened.
Yeah.
That's okay. So it's
Yeah.
not a white person thing.
We thought this was going in a different
No.
direction.
We said, we'll ask May because she represents the whole black population.
I can't.
I'm kidding.
How did this come up?
I don't know.
May.
I
Watching
said,
for
I
it.
said, I watched.
I was
no.
not!
That's what I'm going with. That's what I'm going with. How do I do this?
Press A. Fuck, wrong leg. Damn it.
That's hot. Are we gonna remember these dance moves though when the song comes on and there's no TV?
That's the point.
It's fab, fit, and fun.
Here's my trainer for the day. What are you drinking?
Grapes.
Just doing my lunges as I'm told. Ooh.
Okay, you're almost done.
How many more?
When I said stop. Almost. Got it. Now, just hold it. Hold it.
Okay, now stand.
See, balance is your problem. I've known this for a while. Oh, oh no. Hunty. Hunty, hunty. Stretch it back more.
It is stretched.
Find your zen. Listen.
I don't understand.
Do your circles with your feet.
You know. Your circles
In
with
the
your
front.
feet.
In the front. No! Open up your cankles. 'Cause you know you have them.
This isn't helping me.
This is. Ah! None of my gym. Bring it back. Touch the floor.
One hop this time.
Tina, sit on the wall.
I don't like this. I'm wearing undies, okay? Can't see anything.
No pain. No gain. Did I tell you to get up?
My legs told me to.
Oh. 50 jumping jacks. 50 jumping jacks. Pull in your torso.
What?
Pull in your torso.
If I continue on this routine, how long until I see results?
You'll see results every week. Pointy feet, rinse them hard and rinse them it. Oh yeah.
What fucking time is it? And we're going out to get food?
It's like
1:30.
Fuck.
I want Denny's.
Closes at 3.
I want culture. I love
Destiny's or Denny's?
Destiny's. Denny's if Destiny's an option.
Kids fucking go to Denny's.
Smash.
It's just a
No,
safer
wait.
option.
Should we go to Destiny's like next weekend? Or after trampolining?
I'm just so cheap
Yeah.
because you
I want
messaged me.
Destiny's. I want Destiny's.
Okay, let's go to fucking Destiny's. Y'all got fucking Destiny's? Get in the fucking vehicle then.
Hey, y'all, you're
Wait, is May driving her car? Me, bitch! Heated seats!
You guys are actually all extra and I hate every single one of you. I don't want to be anybody's part.
Ready for Destiny's?
So blind.
What kind of restaurant is this?
Yeah,
So like
what
a
is this?
knockoff Chinese food.
I want sushi!
Sushi would be lit.
Because that's what I want in
Sushi
my mouth.
tomorrow.
Richard, does the menu bring you back to Asia?
Yeah, I don't know anything.
I want sushi. Is
Like
there
from-
sushi or no? No
I think
sushi?
I'm gonna get the.
No sushi. Well, did someone not say 5? Because I don't have a menu.
Stop.
I say go to Denny's.
No, I didn't know. How did they run out of rice? How does that happen?
Should just stay at home.
I'm not putting that on the internet.
Richard, this is family vicinity.
So?
I'll get the same thing that they got. Yeah, shrimp pad thai, please.
Are you happy with your choices?
No.
Are you happy with your choices?
Yeah.
What kind of ice cream is it?
Red bean.
Ew!
Sugar water.
Bean ice cream? Eat that pad thai. Pad thai good?
Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, my pad thai's bomb. LOL, just kidding, it's not here. Finally. Thank you. Thank you.
Eat my food.
Are you happy, May?
This doesn't taste like pad thai.
What does it taste like?
Not like pad thai. It tastes good.
Oh, it's good.
There you go. Enjoy it. Yo, that was the funniest joke ever. I love that. That was good. That was a good. That was a clap back. That was a clap back for her.
Where's the cup? Where's the cup?
No, I'm supposed to drink from that.
May, drink the water.
No.
Why?
That
Hey,
is.
you've been complaining this whole fucking time.
No, I'm not drinking it. Where's my glass?
You gotta pay extra for that, hunty.
Shoddy bitches! She is pressed. She is.
It's too funny though. You got what you asked for. That's what you get. I told you to let it go. Don't ask for water again.
No, give me my fucking water. I asked you for water at the beginning of my meal, and I had to eat my whole meal without my fucking water. The fucking water that they brought me didn't even have ice in it. What the fuck?
Do we all have a good time at Destiny?
No.
Yeah.
Bullshit.
I told you all Denny's, and May, look at what you did.
Oh my god,
I'm gonna never come here again. Serena, we're not taking any more of your food options ever again.
wasn't my option.
I'm pretty sure you're saying we need to go to Destiny's.
was.
Yeah, see? It was.
Who's Chris?
Chris Brown.
Oh my god.
Round 2. Still hungry? Do you think the service here is better?
Yeah.
Would you get water in a cup?
Is that you want?
We'll find out,
water
right?
again?
Yeah.
We've had that before.
It says new, so no we haven't. How much would it cost, or would it take for you to shave your eyebrows off?
No amount of money.
That's a lie. That's not even that bad. How about you?
Like truly.
I would say for like
Minimum amount.
minimum amount, 10,000.
Fine. $3,000.
Whoa!
Michelle? Michelle, Sabrina?
5,000 Bitcoin 7 years ago.
I'm sorry, what?
What?
5,000 Bitcoin 7 years ago.
No. She's not coins. I don't know. It'd be so much money.
Honestly, for me, $500. Everybody comes out with 4 cups of water.
I would leave. Did you get the picture on tape?
Yeah.
Amazing. Sabrina, move over.
What are y'all doing?
Why is the door open? May, why are your legs on me?
I'm so cool.
Get off! I need my seatbelt on, not your legs.
Put your feet on.
Yes, the fucking heat's on!
Oh my god.
This is the Canada
420.
Love
Hey,
Beer.
420!
Hey! Chris did it!
420! I know my turning cells.